So this morning before dawn, our crew was on site and we got the 6 ready. We had it prepped up and ready to go, and we brought it up to the 22nd floor of the building, getting ready to hoist it up to the structure you see behind me to welcome in the new year. So this year the Numerals have a new set of technology that matches the new constellation ball. Altogether they can be shown in red, white, and blue for this year, which is a big year with the America250 events.
Well, we at America250 are excited about this partnership with Times Square. We're going to do a second celebration at 12:04 on New Year's Eve to ring in 2026. There's going to be several tons of red, white, and blue confetti. We're also going to do a red, white, and blue ball that has never, ever been deployed in this way to really bring out the America250 logo and so many things that have never been seen before.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go.
Well, it's my understanding there's about 1 million people watching the ball drop here in Times Square. There's also another 1 billion people watching all over the world. So yes, it's exciting to be part of this and to know that people from everywhere will be here celebrating together. 2026 is the 250th anniversary of our country. What better way to celebrate it than to have the whole world joining us here in New York City, millions of people watching all over the world, all over the globe. And really this partnership with One Times Square, the Times Square Alliance, and America250 is really historic for so many reasons, but most of all because again it represents the heart of the global countdown from all over the world.